Since the given parabolic mirror is of the form of a parabola with standard equation y square equals to 4ax, where a is the distance between focus and vertex of the parabola. So a is the distance between focus and the vertex. So in the question it is given that the focus of the parabola is at a distance of 5 centimeter from its vertex. So I can say that value of a is 5. So our equation of parabola will be y square equals to 4 into 5 into x, or I can say y square equals to 20x. Now it is given that the mirror is 45 centimeter deep, or I can say the x coordinate of the point A is 45, and let's say the y coordinate is y, and b coordinate will be x coordinate of the point B will be 45, and the y coordinate will be minus of y. So we just we need to calculate the value of y. So if I put x equals to 45, I will get the value of y. So y square equals to 20 into 45, which is y square equals to, it will be 900. So y will be plus minus 30, which means point A is 45 comma 30 and point B is 45 comma minus 30. So the distance AB will be using the point formula 45 minus 45 whole square plus 30 minus of 30 whole square. So this will be some 0, and it will be 30 plus 30 60 whole square, or I can say distance between A and B points will be 60. So this will be 60 centimeter. This will be our answer.